Hello Easy Flowers and More family. Today we are going to do an amazing arrangement with our Tinted Roses limited edition. First we cut the top of the pumpkin and we clean everything inside so that there are no seeds left. Then we introduce our base. In this case, use a recycled glass jar where we used to have coffee. I will show you little by little the flowers that we will use for our autumn arrangement. Fall tinted roses, dry Pennisetum spike, hydrangea, protea safari sunset, Lisianthus, white Ornithogalum, spider chrysanthemum. These are really beautiful. Well, we start cutting the stems. Remember to always do it diagonally and let our creativity flow. To be honest, I choose colors that contrast with the pumpkin and that goes with the autumn season. I want to highlight the hortensia and the roses in this case. These are really beautiful. They are fully opened. We have many videos and photos on our fan page on Facebook where you can see all these flowers. Well, we are going to clean up the mess we have caused a little so that we can appreciate our fall arrangement. Well, we add the last details. This is everyone's taste. You can change or add more flowers. Remember, all these flowers you can get them with us and much more. You just have to follow us on Facebook or Instagram. We are at Easy Flowers and More. Well, this is it. Thank you so much for watching.